Oh, hello. I smell amazing. Thank you very much. That is what you might say after using this infamous pine tar soap. This stuff isn't whispering, it's shouting. Yep, this bold scented bar is not for wallflowers. It's strong, and as long as you like that outdoor pine vibe, you're good. I think that this soap originally targeted men, but a specific gender is not what I got out of this the first time I tried it. No, the reason I have bought this again and again, this bar here is my last of a set of 8, is because of where this smell takes me back to. As a child, I spent a lot of weekends cross-country skiing, and this soap reminds me so much of a certain brand of ski wax that I can't remember. Or perhaps it's the wax coupled with the cold air and the trees and the warming by the fire après ski. Obviously, I attach very good memories to this wee bar. I also appreciate the values of this company, and I appreciate that I'm putting natural stuff on my skin. No phthalates, sulfates, parabens, EDTA, or animal byproducts, or artificial stuff. And the intensity of this stuff, it's no joke. It's rich, vivacious, and hangs around a bit. So if you don't like strong scents, especially of this like pine-like nature, this won't be for you. But if it is, you'll also enjoy the creamy and cleansing lather this produces, which rinses clean and leaves you refreshed rather than stripped. So in a nutshell, this bar has a lot of personality and I recommend.